Dear friends, today I want to talk to you about the most important people in our lives, our parents. They are the ones who taught us our first steps, first words, first smiles, and hugs. They gave us love, care, and support throughout our lives, and we should always remember that without them, we would not have become who we are today. Parents are the people who selflessly dedicate their energy and time to provide us with a better life. They sacrifice their own interests and needs to make our lives more comfortable and happier. They are always ready to give us advice and support when we need it. Therefore, we should be grateful to our parents and always remember how much they mean to us. We should respect them, be loving and caring children, and always remember what they have done for us. Remember that life is a precious gift, and our parents helped us to appreciate and enjoy it. We should always thank them for this and do everything possible to make their lives happy and comfortable. So, dear friends, let us give our parents the credit they deserve and show them how much they mean to us. Let us dedicate time and effort to be the best children we can be, and do everything possible to make our parents proud of us and feel happy. Thank you.